Good morning. We're here at the Gardener's Workshop Farm again this morning, and I'm going to show you how you can step up your small blockers to the large blocker. Now, in fact, we don't often do this, particularly on tomatoes is the only one that we consider doing this to because we like to have a nice large transplant. However, this is only, let's see, these were started March 18th. Today is the 27th or the 28th. So these are 10 days old. Typically we plant tomatoes out in the garden when they're 3 to 4 weeks old, and they would make it in this little block, but we want to get them even bigger to go to the garden and more robust. We never touch small blocks when they're wet with our fingers because it really messes it up. So we just use a little plant marker to cut it just like you're cutting cookies apart. We have this great little block. You can see its little root coming out there, and you just simply drop it into the 2-inch block, and that is potting up. So this is the 2-inch blocker that was made using the insert, which is an attachment that is available. These little blocks make a perfect hole in the top of the 2-inch to drop your seedling in, and so this will grow on for a couple of more weeks and grow into a big robust plant, and we'll plant it out in the garden. So that's how you pot up a 3/4 inch to a 2-inch when you want to have a larger transplant to go to the garden. Happy spring!